welcome to section 1.5, example number 2. In this example, they ask us to solve for B1 in this formula, which is the formula for the area of a trapezoid. So we've got A, that's the area of the trapezoid. We've got H, that's the height of the trapezoid, and you can see that right here. We've got B sub 1, which is that first base for the trapezoid, and then we've got B sub 2, which is that top base, the trapezoid. So we'll go ahead and get started. So here we have A equals H over 2 times B sub 1 plus B sub 2. Now you can notice that B sub 1 plus B sub 2 right here, that's multiplied by H over 2. So that's the first thing that we're going to have to undo in order to solve for B sub 1. So to undo this, we can multiply by its reciprocal. So I'll write that down for you. Multiply both sides it's an S by the reciprocal of H over 2. So the reciprocal of H over 2, so if you don't remember what the reciprocal of a number is, so I'll give some examples. Like for example, the reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. The reciprocal of 3 is 1 over 3. The reciprocal of 1 over 4 is 4. The reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2, and so on. So we'll multiply both sides of this formula by the reciprocal of H over 2, which is 2 over H. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do this multiplication. 2 times A, that's just A. Then we've got over H. This equals, well, you can see that this multiplication, 2 over H times H over 2, well, that's just going to be 1, because we'll get 2 times H over H times 2. I can write this out. Times B1 plus B2. And here we'll see that, okay, well, the H's will cancel, and then the 2's will cancel as well. So we'll get 2A over H equals 1. So we can leave that 1 out, or you can put it in either way. B sub 1 plus B sub 2. And now the only thing we have to do to solve for B sub 1 is simply subtract B sub 2. We got 2A over H, and then we're going to subtract B sub 2 from both sides, minus B sub 2 equals B sub 1 plus B sub 2 minus B sub 2. Those two will balance each other out. That's just 0. B sub 2 minus B sub 2 is just 0. So we'll get on the left-hand side, we get 2A over H minus B sub 2 equals B sub 1. And we've solved for B sub 1.